In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a contact lens as a beginner, because this is actually the first time I'm going to be fixing my own. So if you think this is something you can actually resonate with, let's dive into the video.
Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you.
So hi guys, welcome back once again. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Barakat Amzat and you're welcome. In this video, as I said earlier, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix a contact lens. So I'm going to be doing everything based on the explanation they gave me. I've never done this before, I've never tried it before, and this my contact lens is a recommended contact lens because I use recommended glasses, and I got another one yesterday, another recommended glasses, but I just felt like to have contact lenses to like diversify what I can actually do with my eyes. So this is a recommended contact lens actually. So if you think this is not it, but let's just fix it together because I've never done this before and I'm actually scared. Let's dive into the video. The first thing when I was told was that I need to wash my hand clean. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So this is it. I just finished washing my hand, and one thing I tried yesterday when I was like trying to make a video for Instagram was use my hand, just clean it because it's wet. But then I heard that a lot of germs are already there if I wash it again, so I just need to leave it like this because it's wet, and then it's also going to help the solution in this contact lens work better. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to clean it, I'm not going to do anything to it anymore because of germs and all of that dirt. But right now I'm just going to open this up so you guys are going to see it. So my contact lens is already here. I already opened the box yesterday and all of that, so you don't you cannot see how I did it, but from the explanation they gave me, so this is the solution that I'm supposed to use on inside the contact lens. Yes, this is the solution. One thing is, if I should remove this contact lens and put it in my eyes, I need to make sure my eyes is very clean. But right now it is clean, I can't feel any particle. But you can also wash your eyes if you think it is kind of dirty and all of that. So this contact lens, I'm going to fix it, and then I'm going to, before I put it back into this box, I need to actually remove this solution and put new one because this is already gone. That's what they told me. I don't know how I'm going to explain it better, but this is what they told me. So I need to remove this particular solution when I've removed the contact lens and it's already in my eyes, and then I'm going to put this one again. But one thing is, you must not allow your solution to dry up, else your contact lens is going to break. So there should always be this solution inside this thing every time, whether you use it or not. It has to be there. So let's try to fix it. I have a mirror in front of me, so you guys might see that I'm not actually like focusing on you. I'm trying to fix it for the first time. So let's do something. Okay, so for my own prescription, one side is like 25, and there's nothing like contact lens that has the 25 thing, except -2 minus like that, and maybe minus 2.50 or something. That was what they told me yesterday. So they had to balance it for my eyesight, and they said it's going to work. So let's just see how it's going to work differently. I hope I can actually fix it today. So now, from what they taught me, I'm going to be showing you guys because I can't even. So I already washed my hand, as you guys can see. Then this is the contact lens. She said I should put it here so that I can actually pick it up, and then because it has in and out, I have to use this finger to pick. Because I don't have a picker, I have to use this finger to do it like this, and then let's fix it. Hey, I'm dead. That's why I told you guys that this thing is not easy. Hey God, we are going to use one hand to draw this down and use this one from inside so that it's going to, let's just try it together. I don't know, I can't be teaching you what I don't know, but I just want it to be like an experience on camera so that you guys are going to see, because I've been seeing a lot of tutorials where they're just teaching you because they already know how to do it. I don't know how to do it, I've never done it before. So let's just do it together. Like, let it be that, oh, let's just try. Okay, our second try. She told me we can use up to 1 hour here, so we have not used up to 1 hour. Let's continue. So now I'm going to use this one to drag it down. You will shake it. I will shake my eyes. So I have to shake my eyes. Right. Oh, guys, this is why you have to have a mirror in front of you, because this thing is I can't use the F word, but this thing is not easy. Let's try again. My hand is already sweaty.
Please.
Guys, so that it's not going to break and it's not going to dry up. I don't have anything on that is going to like give me breeze or fan or AC or anything. And another thing is, the moment I'm trying that is not working, I'm putting it back into that solution because I know I'm still going to pour it away. So now the mirror is there. I don't okay, let me just look directly into the mirror because I don't have a choice. So I'm putting it back. I've tried this in like how many times now? Guys, I'm exhausted. We have to do this thing. We have to like be successful on it. So
Walk on like this, up or be down.
So I think I'll try to find my balance. If it is up that can work, let's try up. If it is down, let's try down, because I've been trying down, it's not working. One thing you should never allow is let inside become outside. One thing I've learned is no amount of YouTube video can actually prepare you for this period. No amount of YouTube videos, because shall not quit again today like this. No. Na die a day. Okay, let's see if I can try the second one, because I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. And the second one is even the second high. So how am I supposed to?
Turn. Hold it turn. Yeah. What is hey. Show my do fine. Just relax. Relax.
What's up?
Yes.
What's it doing?
What's the now? What's one be black?
What's up?
And now check.
It will not pay what?
But relax before you do the second.
No, you cannot use it to sleep. You can never use it to sleep. Check you.
Yeah. Now.
Can you guys see? Let's do the next one. Not how to remove it. It's just how to fix it that is the problem.
Will you keep quiet?
Okay, let's fix the second one. Like my eyes is still teary because I don't know. But one thing I noticed is this eye is more sharper than this because it is recommended. Let's try the second one. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. La, 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 la. But my eyes is kind of looking different to me. I think that's the purpose also. But for the second one, like this one is still teary. And one thing is when you're using your contact lens, you can't cry. It's because it's still like new. That's why it's bringing out water. I'll also remove it for real. I just want to show you guys that it's not easy. For the first time, I've not seen a video that will actually tell me how I'm seeing but not seeing. I get to my point. So this is me doing it on camera. That is my first time. See how why is this water? It's not kind of different from my eyes, for real. But I'm not supposed to still be crying. But is I don't know. I don't feel uncomfortable. Let me just. This eye is kind of, I don't know, I won't consider it. So this video is already more than 30 minutes. I need something to drag these two eyelids together. Really sharp go.
This one also. Okay.
Ah! Really were bloody, really sharp. Like, guys, do you know what I just did? So, someone is here that she's helping me say, oh, it's already there, it's not there, it's not there. So now, I now try to, like, use this eye to see. It's very blurry, just like my normal eye. And now, this is very sharp. Collect that. I'll now go outside to see how.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah, paste like that. Leave it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it. So fine.
Ooh. Cotton.
Close that thing. Funny.
Guys. 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 This one is dried, but remember this one because I just put it and the ice is still kind of red. So it's still like tearing. Guys, do you actually know what I'm feeling right now? I can actually see what is written on the TV and all of that. So let's try to calm it down because it's so. And anytime you put your contact lens in your eyes and you notice that you are feeling maybe some itch or something, it's because there's dirt in your eyes, not because it's making you feel uncomfortable. The only thing I'm kind of feeling right now is still the it's still peppery because of what the solution, maybe the solution or something, but and then it's the first time I put it on my face too. Can you guys see? I'm still going to remove this thing very soon though, and I'll show you guys how to I'll still remove it very soon. I just want to see what I can use this like they can't call me for heights again. Nobody will know, guys. So this is going to be the end of this one. If you want to see the next how to remove your contact lenses, check the second video that you're going to see on your screen, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for sticking with me to actually do this because it is a lot. I'm going to try to cut this video short because I know it's more than 40 minutes actually trying to do this. So now when in the second video you're going to see how to do everything, and yeah guys, I still have to walk around, do all sort of things, just know what it feels like. I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure you stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys. Tell me, is you down? 'Cause I'm trying to go good tonight.